Okay, welcome everyone. Welcome to another beautiful session here for New York. Looking at, well, not looking at anything now. I feel like this may be a little bit too early to sort of say that gold may continue to push up. I mean, obviously, if you can take a look at this, you got like, 24, 25 pip range. But I would say maybe I would wait. I would wait a little bit. Let's take a look on the 4 hour, 4 hours. Wow, look at that, man. 4 hours, great. 4 hour literally made a lower wick. And now it's trying to move up to fill this wick, 30 pips away. I think that's a pretty good estimation of where price can go for us to fill that wick on the 4 hour at 2039. Let's take a look at that on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so that's basically going to be the 1 hour filling this area right here. But if we take a look at the 1 hour time frame, we can look at the candle here, and this is a bearish candle forming, but the new candle has broken the high. But if you also take a look at this from a perspective of, if we think that this candle will continue to push up, I think we need to wait for this candle specifically to make a lower wick first. Right? Let's take a look on the 30-minute. Yeah, so looking at the 30-minute here as well, yeah, this was my trade right here. So also looking at the 30-minute here now, we've basically created a support around 2033. And yeah, let's take a look on the 15-minute time frame. Wow, yeah, look at that. Pretty tough. Even if we got a support right there, looks like there's some sort of a zone around 2036. So I think we'll have to wait. Yesterday you took a trade in a hurry, I think so. Yeah, yesterday I had a loss. You can take a look at this. I took a buy here, anticipating price to continue pushing up on the 1 hour time frame, but unfortunately I lost $2,800. But then I won again today, but my win streak has been broken. Look at that. Took losses yesterday, but it's okay. Part of the game. What can you do? I am in a buy. Oh, nice. Amazing. Well done. Your voice is not coming, Mr. Bank. I think there's something stuck in your ears. Maybe that's why my voice is not coming. But yeah, we'll wait. We'll wait. Let's take a look at pound yen over here. Pound yen. Ooh, we did. Well, I guess we were also rejecting that anyway before. Yeah, right. I guess this is the zone we formed on pound yen now. On the 1 hour, looking at the 30-minute here as well. And, if we break above, let's say 196.70, this range is 15 pips. I don't think it's enough range, right? I don't think so. This is a 15. This is a 5. Nah, it's like a 20 pip range over here. So we'll see. It's a 20 pip range. We'll see. Yeah, I'm going to be waiting on gold over here now. If we have to go up, if gold has to go up, it needs to create this lower wick, break its own high, and then continue to push up. If gold really has to go up, so we'll have to wait. Waiting is very important. Let's take a look at the news here. Look, so look at this, right? This is the C Trader on Dominion Markets, our own branded C Trader. Look at the calendar. You can look at the news here too. Is any news coming up in a day? Oh, this is tomorrow. Okay, let's do it. Look at today. 2 hours and 30 minutes, nothing as important as we may want. It's just whatever news. Let's take a look at pound yen. Looking at pound yen, it's, we got like JPY news later on, but that's about it. I really want price to come up, to be honest. Like if you look on the 4 hour time frame, this is the perfect example of candle filling the wick. Because if this candle can break its own high, then if this candle can break its own high, then it can continue pushing up to fill the wick. And that's going to be where I want to make my money. I want to make my money there. I want to know that this 30-minute candle, once it breaks its own high, we can continue to push up. That's where I want to make my money. Because then I'm also going to know where my stop loss is going to be. Because if this candle breaks its own high to continue pushing up, that means I can have a stop loss below this wick right here, right? Right here, I can have my stop loss. So let me bring up my magic keys. Okay, this. And my settings are all good. Default pip size 1 to 1.8. This I want to change to 2, 4, 5. This is basically risk that I want to, you know, use. So yeah, we're just waiting now. Yeah, look at that, right? Look at that. So if I use 2% risk, instead, if I want to use 4%, right? Look. So if I want to use 4% risk, this is what I'm targeting right here. And my stop is going to be right down over here. See this? Right down over here. So if I can enter up over here, my stop is going to be right down there. From here, I can make about, $3,300 on these lots, 15 lots. Does MagicKey work with DX Trade? No, MagicKeys works with MetaTrader, C-Trader, and not with DX Trade, but maybe. We're working on it. Maybe. There may be some surprises. What will be in Market Fluidity 2, we're going to teach you about how lions reproduce, the reproductive system of lions, how monkeys reproduce, how good traders reproduce and act in their daily lives, so we all can be profitable. Which trade you take? Mine was also same entry, but I have one question. Is the time you take the trade? Yeah, I took the trade when the 15-minute candle started. On look, okay, so let me remove this. Go to 15-minute time frame, and you'll see where I took the trade. So I took one trade. Look, I took one trade, one win, $2,900. Drawdown was this much, whatever, you know. So, oh wow, look at that. This right here. When the 15-minute candle started, boom, come up. I just make an account in C-Trader. Why spread is 4.2? What I want to ask you is, if you open an account in C-Trader, why did you open up a standard account? You need to open up an ECN account. Standard account has higher spreads. You know, ECN account has these raw spreads that I'm getting. How can I purchase Market Fluidity course? Market Fluidity course will be up for purchase probably by Thursday or Friday. Thursday or Friday. So yeah, just waiting over here, waiting to take buys on gold. So I think as long as we can stay above 2035, buys can work out, right? So as long as price stays above what, 2035, buys above, what's this? I think buys above 2037, buys above 2037 makes sense. This is the longest sentence I've written in the stream ever. So you guys better take this seriously, okay? Usually I write potential sells, potential buys, but guys, take this seriously. Longest sentence I've ever written in the stream. As long as price stays above 2035, which is right here, buys above 2037 makes sense. Yeah. GJ looks clean. Yes. Yes, GJ does look clean. We got to break and close above this area now, especially even on the 15-minute time frame. We got to come up over here and then move up. We got to wait. How to stop over trading? Put your hand on the table, hit your fingers with the cup. Once the finger gets sore, you know you don't need to trade. Try to look for a syllable at the end to rhyme with the cup, but I couldn't. But yeah, man, like the best way to stop over trading, 1 or 2 trades. That's it. Call it a day. There's no need to chase losses. There's no need to chase winners. You can't compound your winners after one win. You got to call it a day. Now look at this. Look at this right here. Look at this beautiful thing right here, right? This candle is about to close in about 2 or 3 minutes on a 15-minute time frame. The next 15-minute candle can potentially continue pushing price up. Look at this 30-minute. Look at this 1 hour. 1 hour is good. Look at that. 1 hour is good. Is it good enough to execute? What's the stop loss? Stop loss is going to be 9 pips. 9 pip stop. Let's go in with a 5 lot, right? And then we're going to add positions. No, I think I should wait for the 15-minute candle to close. Yeah, I think I should wait for the 15-minute candle to close. I should wait for the 15-minute candle to close. Roger, give me advice for life. I'm currently 20-year-old boys. One advice, first advice, learn proper English, proper grammar, proper accent. And then we can talk about, your goals, your ambitions, what you want to do in life. You're still young, very, very young. So I would say maybe develop some skills. I had a very young guy call me today, 24 years old. He did some business with me, but he fucked up. But I still answered his call. And he asked me, hey man, like, I know you're into trading, investing like that. I have some amount of money. Where should I invest? Can I invest in your company? And I'm like, brother, I don't do that investing thing. I'm not into investing. We have a brokerage. We have one of the fastest growing brokerages, Dominion Markets. And here you just deposit your funds and then you trade. That's it. But before you do that, you have to learn how to trade. And he's like, how can I learn? And I'm like, bro, the best way you can learn is by going on Dominion Markets. Once you deposit your funds, you'll get access to education. How cool is that? He's like, no, man, it doesn't work. I'm like, yes, yeah. You just deposit, put in like, $500, $1,000, start trading, and then you're going to get access to our education. Because we want to make sure you're a proper trader. Have you seen the news about Abu Sabah, the Indian? Yeah, I heard the news 2 days ago. Super sad, man. Owes hundreds of millions to the banks. Hundreds of millions to the banks. Like, they take this lifestyle of living on credit too seriously. Living on credit too seriously. I have 0 debts. Well, I got my house debt, but I think my house debt now is like 300,000 dirhams, probably 80, 90K, something like that. Yeah, we paid it off. Paid off a bunch. 2 Bugattis in his house for decoration. Yeah, it's wild. So wild. All right, the 15-minute candle is about to close on gold. And this candle will tell us all about whether we can take a buy or not, right? Now, look at this. If it's go against me, I close 50% after the broke 15 minute, also manage risk. Yeah, that's true. So now you look at this 15-minute candle. The new candle has just started. The previous one closed. It closed with a small body below resistance to the left-hand side. So does this increase the chances of price moving bullish, or does it decrease the chances of price moving bullish? I'm asking you guys. I want some answers. I want some answers. Decreases. Yeah. Decreases. Okay. All right. All right. Yeah, still waiting over here. Nothing happening. Yeah, sure. Share your trade and we will take a look at it. No problem. GJ. Nothing is happening on GJ. Trust me, nothing is happening on GJ. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candles. Solid. Look at that. So we got to wait for the 30-minute candle to close. The funded trader just rejected my 11th payout, terminated my services, banned me from Discord, and they failed to say the reason. So sad after that effort. Had $700,000. Yeah, the funded trader, Angelo, they're going down. Angelo owes a lot of money. Not good. So things are going to get tough for them. Yeah, so that's what we're waiting over here now. So funny. All right, let's take a look at this chart over here. Okay, let's take a look at this. This is GU chart. Took a buy right here below resistance, and you're wondering why you lost. There's your answer. You got it? Look at this. All right, now look at that 15-minute candle. We're about to break the high over here. See if I can have a 10-pip stop. I can still manage risk, right? Yeah, I can still manage risk. Looking at this 30-minute candle, 1-hour candle. I really want to get in, but I want to be, I don't want to be hasty in my decision. Pound yen, I'm not really concerned about pound yen. And the reason why I was hesitant in taking a buy in pound yen was because on the 15-minute candles, we've already went 1, 2, 3, 4 bullish candles. So I was thinking, if we've already went 4 bullish candles, what's the probability that the 5th candle will also go bullish? You know, so for that, I was a little bit wary. You know, like I didn't want to enter. But gold, I'm waiting over here. Fiat option to buy me. No US allowed. No US allowed. Read what's written on the website. It clearly says no US, no Canada. I have one question. The time you take a trade, before that, there was no trade. Is it because there was no confirmation? Yes, that's correct. Wait till US Open. Yes. I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to wait for NY Open or even till 7 a.m. Eastern because, you know, so far we've just been ranging. We haven't had volume. So, I mean, like, you know, maybe volume is going to come in at an hour before NY Open. Or even if I take a small $600, $700. Yeah, you know, like, I mean, on the 30-minute time frame, 30-minute looks like this, 15-minute looks like this. All right. Yeah, so I'm going to execute this buy here. Stops are below the current 30-minute candle. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good stop below the current 30-minute candle and anticipating price to continue to push up, you know, till at least 2039, something like that. Because now I got to follow my plan. As long as price stays above 2035 and above 2037, it makes sense to take a buy, right? And guys, stop asking me these questions. Are you not worried about? Whenever someone asks me a question, are you not afraid about XYZ or are you not worried about XYZ? It's my biggest pet peeve, please. I don't give a fuck about a wick. I don't give a fuck about a zone. I don't give a shit. I'm not worried. You're only worried about the things if you're worried about the guys in high school who are gonna come kick your ass. You're worried about that. You're worried about if you commit a crime, the police is gonna come over and arrest you. So what the fuck are you else worried about? What are you worried about? Are you gonna get hurt? Like if you're concerned about something, then don't take a trade, sit back, and watch how price plays out. You know, I'm not worried about anything, nothing, because I know I can manage risk. If I can manage risk, I'm good. Look, so this is the 15-minute time frame. If this candle breaks its own low, I'm going to manage risk. So why am I worried about things? You know, you don't have to be worried about anything. Nothing in life. If it's not going to kill you, stop saying, are you not worried about? Or are you not afraid? You don't have to be afraid. I got a friend that is a developer ops in Derive. I don't know what the fuck is Derive. I want him to apply in your company. He worked there for about 5 years. Who can he email? hr@domainmarkets.com. Do we have vacancy for customer support? No. Not at this point. No, sir. Are you following the World Cup trading? No, I'm not. Do you offer copy trading services? Nope. I have one question. The time you take a trade with confirmation, that's correct. What about funding pips? Yeah, they're pretty good. They're pretty good. They're bringing on a lot of platforms and stuff like that. I'm calling the day with $48 so far. Oh, very nice. You made $48? That is absolutely insane. But over here now, this candle. Oh, man, accidentally I pressed close half and it closed half right here. So now I only have a 5 lot running at this point. Oh, anyway. We still have to stay above this area here, 2036.40, and then we can continue to push up. 2036.40, and then we can continue to push up. Guys, listen, don't forget to give a like on the stream. Give a like on the stream and do subscribe. Please. HR, yeah, that's correct. DominionMarkets.com. Let's take a look at pound yen. Yeah, see, that's good. Pound yen broke above 190, 700. So I think now it's going to be better for the next candle to wick down and then continue to push up. I think that's going to be much better. Yeah. So you have a doubt about the buy here? That the 30-minute broke the low? Yeah, the 30-minute broke the low. But you also got to look at it this way, that once this 30-minute candle broke the low of the previous candle, that was the first 15-minute candle off the 30-minute breaking the low and then finishing bullish. And then the 15-minute candle started. And that's where I took the buy for price to continue pushing up. Funded Pro, no idea. I have no idea who they are. No clue. Raja got wrecked. That's what happens when you gamble. But no, I didn't get wrecked. I didn't get wrecked, buddy. I'm still up $41,900 for February alone. 41,000. If I keep this up, I'm going to make $400,000 by the end of this year. I'm not wrecked. I'm good. Dislike the stream because you gambling, not following your own. I'm reporting you to YouTube. Go report your mama too, bitch. Crypto life. Can I start with $100? Don't have much money. Oh, look at that. Yes. Got stopped out. See, crypto life, because of you, now got a losing trade. Holy. Why did you delete? Why did you delete? And how can I get Market Fluidity 2.0 on YouTube? You can't. I can't close half on C-Trader. They need to work on the order modifying man. Oh, you can. With MagicKeys. With MagicKeys, I closed it. MagicKeys right over here. Yeah, I was actually pretty confident that we could finish bullish. You know, I was actually very confident we could finish bullish, but we didn't. But I'm still up 4% for the day, you know. Look, 4%. I'm still up 4%. Let's take a look at this. Today, yeah, you know, like I'm still up 4%. Not bad, you know. Not bad at all. I lost, what, $700 on this 10 lot? It's cool. My average win is, I think, 2,000. So, yeah, it's still good. Pretty good. So when you lose a trade, do you try then to see why, or do you just say no? Yeah, so this one here, You know, to be honest, I had really high hopes for the 30-minute candle to continue bullish. You know, especially the 1 hour candle to move bullish. I don't see anything wrong. This 15-minute candle broke the high. You know, this 15-minute candle broke the high to go up. But I guess it wasn't the time. I guess we're waiting for NY Open or something like that. Like, you know, that's what goes through my mind when I lose a trade. Yeah. So I think it was just, yeah, nothing. Like, I'm not going to overthink. Now I'm just going to say, okay, you know what? It didn't work out. It didn't go up. So maybe, yeah, maybe I'm going to give my buy a second chance. You know, probably I could give my buy a second chance. So now I'm just going to have to wait whether we break above 2036 to continue up or not. Because now I'm just going to give my buy a second chance. You know, or if price breaks below, you know, 2035, 2034, then we may be going for sells. But for now, you can see candles are basically printing side by side, you know. So when the candles are printing side by side, there's nothing much that you can do. Stopped out due to retrospective. Man, come on. You guys need to grow a pair of balls. You guys are so soft. This is what gets me the most. I overthink the loss and try to justify why it didn't play out. Yeah. You know, like I had a buy, I had my stop loss, and I visualized knowing where candle's gonna go, but unfortunately it didn't ended up that way. So I'm just like, okay, you know, I lost the trade, but what did I do good in that trade? What did I do good? I managed the risk. I'm like, all right, perfect, awesome. You know, if my win rate is, let's say, 55%, if my win rate is, so my win rate is less than 60%, you know, less than 60% of the trades I win. I know that if I take the same trade over and over and over again, long term, I'm going to have a profitable outcome. You know, if I take the same trade over and over and over again, you know, so it's fine. The no trade zone is right here, buddy. This is our no trade zone now. This is going to be our no trade zone. This is our no trade zone. Yeah, it's going to be the no trade zone. I think GJ will go into the 191, as it's okay to hold the trade for a couple of days on GJ. 191. Yeah, see, so now the new 30-minute candle has started. Even on gold, right? Look at this 30-minute candle here. Yeah, man, gold is just consolidating now. I think we're just going to wait for NY session or something. Even on GJ, I'd want price to come down, create a lower wick, and then continue to go up. Yeah, and that lower wick should not break the low of the previous 15-minute candle. Yeah. Does C-Trader work on, does MagicKey work on C-Trader? Yes, yes it does. So yeah, we're just consolidating here now. We're just ranging. Do you lose the trades on live on purpose? Yeah, sure. Sure I do. Oh. Okay. How I download C-Trader from dominionmarkets.com. dominionmarkets.com. This guy clearly doesn't know how to trade. He is a fucking clown. Even before taking a trade, he doesn't follow his plan. Just a fake guru, just a course seller. Thank you. Is the servant a millionaire from trading yet? No, he doesn't trade Forex. He trades eggs, bananas from the grocery store. You answered my question. Thank you. You're welcome. Can I start with $100? Don't have much? No. I think to be a profitable trader, I think to even make sure that your dreams of becoming a trader come true, trading with $100 is not going to cut it. You have to start with at least some sort of a realistic amount of money, like $1,000, you know, minimum $1,000. Trust, minimum $1,000. $5,000, it's even better. $5,000, $1,000, you know, that's the best thing. That's the best thing to do. So far I have withdrawn, let's see how much money I've withdrawn from this account. I have withdrawn $2,071.76. That's what I have withdrawn from this account. You know, and local deposit was 10,000, withdrawal 2,000, balance is 49,000 in 1 month. 1 month with the 60% win rate, less than a 60% win rate. Less than a 60% win rate. So yeah, right now, you know, like we're just waiting here. We're waiting. There's no volume. Pound yen, it's continued to push up over here now. So, you know, we only have 200 likes. Let's click the thumbs up. Let's get the likes up to 500. Let's get the likes up to 500. Recently missing out moves on all the good setups. Any advice you can give which I can focus on all the good setups? So one thing you got to ask yourself is, why are you missing out on the moves? What are you doing? You know, has it always been this way? If you're missing out on moves, are you looking at the moves and asking yourself, where could you have taken the trade? Where could you have taken an entry? Because that's something very, very important. You know, whenever you miss out on a move and you knew that the move was going to play out, just paper trade it. Paper trade it and then do it. Like, you know, if you're missing out on moves because you're at a job, then maybe you haven't chosen the right time to trade because you're at your job or you're doing something else or whatever, you know. But if you're missing out on moves because you're looking at too many pairs, then you got to cut down on your pairs. Because if you have a set time, let's say you say, okay, you know what, I'm only going to look at the charts for maybe 2 hours or 3 hours. Okay, perfect. Now you got a time that you're going to look at the charts for about 2-3 hours. Perfect. Now, in those 2-3 hours, if you're missing out on trades because you're not confident enough, then that's a confidence issue. Then you got to see, okay, whether I can enter a trade with the 0.01 lot or 0.10 lots just to increase my confidence. That's going to work. But if you're just being afraid of entering the trade, you just like super afraid, then it's going to be very tough. How to have big biceps? Eat a lot of eggs, eat a lot of protein, and go to the gym. I've been working out consistently for 6 days a week for the past 8 months. For the past 8 months, I've been going to the gym 6 days a week. And I've taken on jiu-jitsu. And I've been eating super clean. You know, it takes like about 8 to 10 months of consistently going to the gym to see some results. Did you have some exact strategy or exact step size to increase lot size? Yeah. So my strategy to increase lot size was based on confidence. Based on confidence, I always, you know, increased my lot sizes. So let's say, for example, this account right here, right? This account right here. Let's take a look at the full history, all history. Okay. Let's take a look at this history right here. So this account I started at around, you know, 9,900. Look at my starting lot sizes, right? So ignore 0.1. I was just testing this out. So it was like, you know, 2 lots, 0.75, 1 lots, like, you know, and then this I experimented with 5 lots once we got to 13,000. You know, I did 5 lots till 15,000, then 7, 6, 7 till like 17, 7, 10. 10 I did at 20,000, 10, 4, 1.7, whatever, based on confidence. And, you know, start to grow with 10 lots, then 15, 15. So I'm going to stay till like 10, 15, up until the account gets to like 70, 80,000, hopefully. And once we get to 100,000, then I'm going to start to scale my lot sizes to, let's say, 20 lots, 25 lots, but realistically, once you get to 5 lots and 7 lots, that's when things really start to change. Because if you're trading 5 lots, now you're making, with 5 lots, you're making like, $500, $600, and if you're consistently, let's say, averaging out $300-$400 a day, over the course of the week, you're making what? 4 times 5 is what? 2,000. You're making like $1,500 to $2,000 a week, and that's amazing, because times that by 4, now you're doing $8,000 from your trading account in a month, 8,000 a month, so it scales really quick. Like you can scale from doing 1,000 a week to 2,000 a week in 2-3 months. Just consistency, 2 to 3 months. You can scale from 1,000 a week to 2,000 a week. Then from 2,000 a week to 5,000, it goes quick, man. It goes so fast, you have no idea. Then 5,000 a week to 10,000, that's when things really start to change around you. Once you get to 5 to 10,000 a week, trades, things really start to change around you. You start to be like, okay, you know what? You start to get those extra gifts. You start to go to like, better restaurants, in the beginning. It doesn't feel real. You start to look at your trading account over and over again just to make sure that the money is there. I remember when I first cracked my 6 figures on trading, I would look at my trading account just to make sure that the money's there, Nothing happened, money's there. But the most important thing is, when you're really compounding, is that you have to keep withdrawing the funds, because the more you withdraw, the more you make yourself feel like it's real. Like a lot of guys can scale funds, but if you don't withdraw, you never withdraw, it's never real for you. It's never real for you. So here we are again, candles pushing up. The 15-minute candle is about to close in 5 minutes. I really want to give my trade a second chance over here, but I'm not too confident, as then that's going to be my 3rd trade for the day. And if I lose my 3rd trade for the day, then I'm going to be losing, my profits. Like I'm up $2,000 today. Like, who do you know around you that makes $2,000? Who do you know? Who do you know? So I can go in the washroom, I can look at myself in the mirror, and I can ask myself, hey, Raja Banks, you made $2,000 today. Do you really want to take that trade? Do you really want to give your trade a second chance for it to move up? If you lose 50% of your gains. So what do you want to do? Do you want to risk your money you made, or you want to take this 2,000 and call it a day? What do you got to do? That's what you got to do. If I look in my wallet, I don't even have 2,000 in my wallet. What do I have over here? Let's count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 1,000, 1,200. I got 1,200 right here. I got 1,200. I don't even have 2,000 in my wallet. I got 1,200. I made $700 today. Still way to do $2,000 a day. No, you're still good, man. $700 you did today. 700 times, let's say you do 700, 4 days times 4. That's 2,800. What pair is that on your screen? It's gold. This is gold, and now gold is broken above the high. So, the 15-minute candle is also about to close. You got like a 20-pip range for price to move. Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen is doing nothing. It's going to be better if pound yen comes down to do some sort of retest for it to continue pushing up to 190.88. But now we're still going to look at gold. We're still going to look at gold and see whether we're going to close with a wick up or no. Because if we can close with a wick up, then the next 15-minute candle may give us an opportunity to go up. Interesting. Interesting. Do you make more from trading or from the broker? That's none of your business, Tamir. I make money anyway. Second 15 of the 30, yeah. So we're just gonna wait over here now. Raja, I remember watch your story. You made 50K to 2 million. Is it what? Is it? Let's see here. What's this? It's possible with less amount. I'm turning 350 to 560 today within 1 month of discipline. 0.05 and simple smart budget concepts. Oh, very nice. Have you ever tried to trade NAS? No. Do you share people's ideas? No. I lost 1,000, but made 220. No, okay, nice. Wow, look at that. Yeah, look at that. 1 hour, right? Oh, wow, look at that. I think this push, I think it's going to keep pushing by the end of the 1 hour. Yeah, this would have been a very nice entry right here once we really start to break above the high. I think trusting the 1 hour is much better. 4 hours is going to fill the wick over there, right? The 1 hour, hey guys, listen, like all you guys who know about smart Roger concepts and impulse entries and candle formations, you guys know this, right? You guys know this right here. I think my entry was too early. Yeah, this would have been nice. How far away are we now from the high over here? It's like 8 pips. Unless there's a magical retracement, then we're gonna hop on the wagon to continue pushing up. But we need that magical retracement, and that magical retracement should come up with the next 15-minute candle, I would say. Yeah, it should come with the next 15-minute candle. So I'm gonna wait. It's just a 50-second wait, you know? I have got funded 3 times from Top Step trading futures and applying market fluidity techniques to the gold futures market. Been following you for 3 years. Oh, nice, Jason. Amazing. Thank you. I would like to congratulate you on Dominion Markets and offering halal accounts. Thank you. I took the 1 hour flip buy, but so far it's not hitting 10 pips. Yeah, I think it will. The new 15-minute candle. This is going to be the last 15-minute candle of this hour, and I think it should continue pushing price. There's no daily resistance, brother. We're going to hit around 2030 right up over here. We're going to hit up over there. Please provide zero spread account. There's no such thing as, if we provide you a zero spread account, then we'll have to book you. We'll have to charge you more commissions, because then we got to make money too, right? Zero spread account. There's no such thing as a zero spread account. People who give you zero spread account, you're probably getting booked 100%, because the spread comes from liquidity. Like this spread you see right here, 0.7, this comes from liquidity. There's no markups on the spread. We have markups on standard account, which is why you'll see the spread is going to be higher, because there's a markup there. Look, there's no markup here. 0.8, 0.9 pip spread on gold. You know, how much did you make on your YouTube channel? So far on YouTube, I've made about 130,000 since I started, $130,000. Is ICT true? I don't know. Can a person be true or false? Like, what are you trying to say? I give my trade a second chance, and I don't know if I have to close and the BE for the day or hold and take the risk. I don't know. Are you managing risk? Do you know exactly how much you're going to lose? Do you know how much exactly are you going to make? Do you have those metrics in check? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? Oh, look at that. Pound yen retracement. Yeah, gold is done now, you know, like unless we get a retracement, I'm not gonna chase gold unless we get a retracement. I'm done with gold. Like, you know, it can go up till 2039, whatever. I'm fine with that. How old were you when you made your first million in a year? How old was I? I'm 56 now. I think I was 33. 32 in 2020. 2020 was the year when I had $1 million in my bank account. 2020 is the year when I had $1 million in the bank account. and it felt amazing. It felt so great. It felt so great. You guys have no idea. 2020. Bro, sell gold and thank me later. Sure. Yeah, thank you. My hair is so black. Yeah, thank you. I use organic oil. Look at that. I use organic oil. Some of it are getting white over here, but you know, it's the George Clooney grace. I started at 500. I tried to reach to 5K. I made $1,700, and from there I continued losing. Now I'm at $830. That sounds like me, buddy. I started with $700 back in 2016. I started with $700. I grew that to $5,500, and then I started to lose, and then I deposited and I lost some more, and deposited and I lost some more. So yeah. Bro, you still have room if you place your stop loss below 4 hour, wait for previous 4 hour. No, not now, not now. I'd rather want to see a retracement. I rather would want to see a retracement. You know, I pride myself as a trader who wants to take really good entries. You know, not some bumbaclot fucked up entries right over here. I don't want to take an entry right over here. I like if I wanted to be in a trade, I wanted to be a trade somewhere down here, 2036 or something like that. You know, I wanted to be in a trade somewhere right over here or right over here, but I'm not, you know, so I'm not going to take a trade right here. Pro ECN account is better for day trading. Mr. Raja, for Iranian, it's fine to open account. No. Raja, missing your vlogs. Maybe you can upload sometimes, or maybe other content on YouTube channel. Thank you. I will. We have some in the making. Do you know Win Pro FX broker? Win Pro FX? No. I don't know any such broker, Win Pro FX broker. When you take a trade, you use this fucking broker over here, Ventura. Oh, skibbity dub. Yes. Okay. Pound yen. We are at 196.80. 196.80. Gold. Retrace, and then we can move up. Retrace, and then we can move up. So we'll have to wait now. In the meanwhile, we will have some coffee and chill. Basically, it's a chill day today. All right. Yeah, look at that. Gold is continuing to push up over here. Continuing. Yeah, that's fine. Look at that. The 1 hour was perfect. This was 1 hour was the perfect storm. And I wouldn't be surprised if we continue to push up. During the entire New York session, I wouldn't be surprised. And I will be ready for that. Because look at the amount of people in cells right here. So if I want to get ready for that, guys, listen, let's do a Hail Mary over here. You guys want to do a Hail Mary with me? Let's do it. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell you. My stops are going to be right down over here. As price comes down, I'm going to keep adding risk up to 10%. And then from here, we're going to continue to push up. And we will have a smashing day here today. A smashing day coming up today for everyone. We just need to come down so I can keep adding positions. Total risk I'm going to use is 10%, $4,000, $4,900, and then we can continue to push up. Because like to be honest, I'm up 41,000 for the month, from $10,000. So I can risk 4,000 or 5,000, right? I can risk 4,000 or 5,000 to make 10,000, 12,000 for sure. For sure I can, 100%. So that's what I'm going to do now. Look at this 1 hour candle over here. Wow, look at that. Should have entered right down over here. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. And also, look at the amount of people in sells. Look at this. 63% clients on all over global C Trader are in sells. 63%. Majority always loses, right? So we're going to keep on stacking buys. We're going to take all these sellers' money and we'll take it, put it all in our pockets. That's the plan today, boys. That is the plan. So tell your uncles, your aunties, your grandma to go and open the live stream because today we're going to make some good money. Today we're going to make some good money. Sounds good, Claire? Sounds good. These stats are based on platform, broker, or liquidity provider. Liquidity. Raja, mate, you take entries contrary to what you teach. Does that mean once you get the skill, you can play around risk and confident in taking trades? Yes, Damon, mate. That's absolutely correct, mate. So initially, I would not ever take an entry right about here. So that's why I lowered my lot size to 5 lots. And now I'm going to keep adding positions as price retraces because my main idea is for price to continue pushing till 2041 for the rest of the New York session. That is the plan so far, Damon, mate. So we're going to keep adding positions as candles come down to retrace. Love the English accent. All streams should be like this for entertainment. Bloody hell, mate. Bloody hell. What, a glass of water? You want a glass of water? Cup of coffee. No, British don't drink coffee. British people are angry by default, man. Imagine how they would be with coffee. Just fucking wired to the tits angry. I live in the UAE, but Iranian still I can't. Yes, you can. Bloody hell. A whole water bottle. This guy is another level. Yes, I am. I am a level above you. Just joking. Don't take it seriously. You just said it. I'm a level above you. Oh, man. I have a buddy. He's on the 10th floor. And he tells me, bro, I'm on another level. I'm like, yeah, I know. You're above me. Please do more simulation sessions. Okay. So as we can see now, this 1 hour candle is about to close. So the next 1 hour candle, I predict it should continue pushing up. So we're going to be here for another hour. Oh, you want to move your chart? You see this thing right here at the bottom? It's going to tell the time, so you can move this. Okay, so we're coming in about 4 pip stop. So we will continue to add more position once price comes down to 2037. From here, the price should continue to move in the bullish prediction that we have. People are in, a majority of them are in sales. So we should put more buys over here. Raja, mate, kindly talk about US 30, mate. Come on. Okay, mate. US 30. Mate, why are you worried about US 30 when you got your own UK index to trade? Why are you worried? Oh, wow. US 30 is doing fuck all over here, buddy. Look at this. US 30 is doing F all. Look at that. We got resistance right here. We got support right here. It's ranging. So I would say maybe Look for a buy above this area here, so you can continue pushing up. The fuck is it? Wow, I got 100 lots. Look at that. I'll make $25,000 on 100 lot over here. We don't need 100 lots over here. We need baby lots. Yeah, right? Look at that. Or how big is this range anyway? That's a small range. It's not. Yeah, we're just ranging here in US30. I think US30 is gonna move on maybe by NY Open or something like that. You know, pound yen is coming down to do a potential retest. But yeah, I don't think taking a sell is going to be a good idea, because if you do take a sell and price starts to move bullish, look at this. 64% people are in sells. You know what this calls for? If price goes up, 64% people, we're going to have emotional damage. Emotional damage. Gold will do this. Oh, fuck. Yeah, so this thing has to come down. We need some retracement. Emotional damage. So we got 2 minutes left for the candle to close. 4-hour candle is filling the wick over here. What can we do? 1-hour candle needs to retrace. 30-minute. Oh, wow, man. This 30 fucking candle over here, if it retraces, I'm adding positions here now. I'm adding positions once it starts to retrace, because what I'm expecting this candle to do, you guys even know what I'm expecting the next candle to do? I'm expecting the next candle to finish like this. See this? Like this. Have like a wick right here. Yeah, like this. This is what I'm expecting the next candle to do. So every time this candle will come down and make this wick right here, I'm going to add positions. Get it? You see my master plan now, my master plan with gold today? That's what I'm going to do. Welcome to Raja Casino. This isn't Raja Casino, guys. This is a professional business. This is professional. I'm a professional here, and I'm going to deal with gold professionally. You know, I'm going to wait for price to retrace. I want some more coffee too. I'm going to wait for price to retrace. Then I'm going to add positions. I'm going to add positions like rockets. You know, and I do know that the next 15-minute candle will go bearish, which is great. Just going to add positions. That's it. Simple. Simple. It's buys. You know, it's own. Oh, look at that. New 15-minute candle has started now. See this now? The body is getting smaller. This body will get even more smaller, and then we can continue pushing down. So I'm going to be right back. Emotional damage. Okay. I want to add more positions here once price retraces. All right, let's see over here. Bhai, sachi maza jata hai aapki stream mein. Too good. Very nice. Do you have Islamic account? Sure. Raja, wasn't it difficult to trade Asian session? Yes, it was. It was very, very difficult to trade Asian session. Let's go hard this time. I'm up for it. I'm a new trader. I started from $100. Now I'm at $85 after 4 months, and now I trade only GJ. Very well done. What do you want me to say? Who trade this position? Me. Me. I trade this position. Yeah. Okay, buddies, 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 buddies. Look at that. Huh? Okay. Yeah, I need some retracement for price to continue pushing up. Some retracement is needed ASAP. ASAP. I need retracement so I can add positions. I'm waiting for the ticket confirmation. Which ticket confirmation? All right, pound yen. We are creating that sort of like a support for price to move up. Looking at gold. Man, no gold. What I'm doing with the stop loss now? Bringing it up over here. I don't need this. I don't need this BS gold. I need retracement. Are you trading Bitcoin? Does this look like Bitcoin to you, buddy? This is not Bitcoin. This is gold. What made you more confident as a trader by having enough money or by becoming fit or both, which made you feel confident firstly? What made me confident was the way I looked. If I looked good, then I was confident. And then I became a better trader, and then I got even better. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to close this right here. No. I'm going to close this right here. I'm going to wait for a proper retracement, and then I'm going to add buys. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a better idea right there. That's a way better idea. Pound yen here, we're waiting. Purchased 3 tickets last night. From the same name? From the same name. No, we didn't receive any confirmations. Nothing. Nothing came in. Yeah, nothing came in. Maybe call your bank to see if you got charged or not. But nothing came in. Yeah, look at that. It's better to enter like, you know, on a retracement. Yes, Sharif, my bro, nothing came in. I know you, Muhammad Sharif. Nothing came in. Call your bank if you even got charged. All right, let's take a look at this area. I'm waiting for a weak entry. Yeah, I'm waiting for some sort of a retracement. What lot used on Russia-Ukraine war? How many pips you won? I won too many pips. Okay, Sharif, send an email with that screenshot or confirmation to sales@marketfluidity.com. Sales. Sales. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, nothing yet. Have to wait more. Have to wait more because I know this candle will break this low right here. Have to wait a little bit more. Okay. Do you increase lot size based on account size or account size? Based on account size and comfort level. TradeZilla doesn't work with CTrader. Can you tell Omar to speed up the process? Why don't you send them an email? Why don't you send them an email? I do advanced take profit CTrader. Awesome. This is not trading. This is nonsense. Well, then you can go to some other stream. Is there any chance for sell entry on goals or retracement? No. I think sell entry below 2035 or even, you know, with this move to be a fake out for price to come in 2036, you could take a look into that. I'm living in Canada. I tried opening an account. No, you can't. No Canada or US allowed. Do you used to have trading limits box like the one screen when you used to trade MT5? No. When you take a trade, do you use the next 30-minute candle as you take profit? Yes. Yes, I do. What about the news that's coming in? Will that have no effect? No, I don't think it's going to have any effect. Raja, any tip to recognize the fake out? You can't. You cannot recognize the fake out unless it happens. It's like someone, you know, when you're young and you go to school. Well, nowadays it doesn't happen because people are fucking sensitive. And anyway, when I was in school and you were young and you would go to school and someone would do this, right? So this is a fake out. And you wouldn't know whether it's a fake out until you get hit. You know, just like, and you do like this. You know, but sometimes it's a straight boom. There's no fake out. Yeah. Yeah, for pound yen, I want to be careful, you know. Like with pound yen, I want to be a little bit careful. I want to wait for this I want to wait for this 15-minute candle to close. Because next you have like 12, it's a 12 pip range, man. Don't even bother with pound yen. There's a 12 pip range. Don't even bother. Raja, I walked away and came. Please explain why you closed the buy. Because I wanted to enter more. Save the Dominion markets. Markets, bro. Markets. DominionMarkets.com. Yeah. But honestly, we didn't get anything. But we'll still check. Just send a complete screenshot with full details. Okay, dokie. I need more retracement. I need more retracement. My gym routine in Ramadan is going to be gym time after iftar. Yeah, after iftar, I'm going to go to the gym. So yeah, pound yen, 15-minute. Oh, wow, look at that. Rejection. Rejection. Look at this gold over here. We got to wait. We have to wait. Yeah, retracement is going to be nice to have some sort of a retracement. That's going to be nice. Oh, what the fuck? All right, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, we are. Do you determine when to enter on global impact news like Russia? No. How do you determine? I don't know. Like the trade I took on Russia and Ukraine thing that happened. I made some decent money. I took that trade based on a 1 hour time frame, the 30-minute and the 1 hour time frame, and I held that trade for about maybe an hour and a half. And price moved like 4 5 pips. It was insane that move happened. You know, your accent of saying Pancho is very funny. Thank you. How to open the pips column like you're setting the pips, you right click it, and then you can here choose whatever you want. How do you get those gray parts around the blue horizontal line? These gray parts, these are rectangles. These are rectangles, you know. Oh my God. How do you know it will retrace at that level? I don't know. I'm just making shit up as I go. You know, so I'm just hoping it would reach. If it retraces, then then I can add positions, you know. Yeah. The 4 hour is going to fill the wick. And I'm sure it's going to happen with NY Open. I'm sure it's going to happen with NY Open. 4 hour. Oh, Sharif. Sharif, I'm sorry. Where's Sharif? That wasn't the email. Oh, Sharif is going to be mad now. Yeah, there you go. I sent you the right email address. Yeah, okay. So the new 15-minute candle will start now. The candle bodies are getting smaller. We have you know, a resistance right here, which we are coming into probably to reject. And I think the rejection is going to be better because once we do reject, then there's a possibly we can take a buy for price to continue pushing up, you know, possibly. That's something that we could do. So let's see over here. TP target? No TP target right now. Right now, there is no TP target. GJ, none. There's nothing on pound yen. If you look on the 30-minute time frame, we're just printing side by side. There's nothing really going on. This is gold. 4 hour needs to move up. The daily needs to move up. The 30-minute. The volume in the market decrease as we come to the end of the month, start of the month. No, the volume doesn't decrease. It just depends on what's really happening. You know, so I would want to wait here. I would want to wait to see whether we come down because I want price to come down a little bit. A little bit, I want price to come down and then continue. If we retrace now and enter the NY Open, would push the news later on, would push beyond 21. Yeah, exactly. So I'm just waiting. We are just waiting here. See that retracement? I want this retracement to happen. because once this retracement happens, then we basically know what to expect. Yeah, see that retracement is happening. This is good. We want price to come down so we can add buy positions and then move up. Which lot size can we use on a $100 account? I don't know, start with 0.01. I have ECN account. ECN account. So today I'm up $2,200. Very good. Very good outcome today. Profits. Profitable day today. Profitable day today. Oh, right. So now we will have to wait some more. Valet. All right. How to have nerves of steel like yours? Just wait. Just waiting. Gold? Just waiting. Because most of the times you're going to be safe from a trade if you don't enter the trade. You will be safe if you don't enter in the trade. So most of the time you're just going to be safe. So I know that I'm waiting for a retracement. So, I'm going to wait for a retracement. If I don't get the retracement and price continues to shoot up, then so be it. What can you do at this point? You can't do anything. But you got to follow your plan. You have to follow what you think it may happen. And it's such a beautiful thing whenever price retraces and it comes through a level where you want to execute on and you do execute. Such a beautiful thing when it plays out in your favor. Such a beautiful thing when it starts to move in your direction, man. Such an amazing thing. Someone is saying, Maz Ali is saying, you are emotional trader. मैंने ऐसी लगानी ना गालियां, फिर मैं देखूंगा कौन इमोशनल हो जाता है माज अली बाज आजा तू Maz, Mr. Maz. How many lots do you think I should trade with 5K account? How many lots? I think 0.5, 0.25, 0.5. Do you still invest in the stock market? No. Why profitable prop traders say that you manipulate your profits in your broker? Let them say what they want. The people will talk all the time, man. Starts from your relatives and then goes to friends and then goes to random people on the internet. How do you teach yourself not to have FOMO? By knowing that you will be only focusing on 1 or 2 trades a day. That's it. I actually made a very good video. It's rendering now. And that video was basically on psychology. It was on FOMO. It was on holding a drawdown. It was on not securing profits. Yeah, it was very good. Bhai, your Hindi accent, mashallah. Thank you, bro. I lived in Pakistan all my life, so Hindi, Urdu, aani chahiye na phir. Oh my God, sir, where are you from? Dubai. Are you going to stream during news in an hour? No, I got some shit to do. Can you do another car talks about properly scaling an account? I really like the last video. Okay, I'll try to do one. I have a GoPro. I'll try to do one. Do you take a short afternoon nap since you wake up early? No, today I didn't. I didn't go to the gym today, so I took a nap after I dropped my kids to school. For a 20K account, what's the correct lot size? For a 20 K account. What's the correct lot size? Buddy, it depends who you ask. If you ask me, my lot size when this account was 20,000, 10 lots. Well, 5 lots. 5 lots. That was the account size. 5 lots. Oh, look, Sharif. Sharif, look. It says pending. It says pending transaction. It hasn't cleared yet. You told me that it's done. It says pending. So that's why we haven't received it yet, because it's pending. Which means your bank has to confirm, basically. So yeah, we're getting this retracement. That's good. Bootcamp students, yes, you guys do. Goal looks to be a faking out. Yeah, I agree with that. I'm gonna wait for some more retracement, and then we'll see where we go from there. Okay, look at that. The 30-minute candle is about to close, and the 30-minute candle is closing bearish. We are closing bearish. So, we'll have to wait. We got 4 minutes left for the candle to close. So, we can wait 4 minutes for the candle to close, right? So let's just wait 4 minutes. We got 4 minutes left for the candle to close. So I think it's going to be better if we wait for the candle to close, and then we can see what more can be done. Your son's video in the car laughing is the most cute thing ever. Blessings to you. Thank you, man. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I'm 18 now. I started trading when I was 15. Alhamdulillah, doing well now. Learn from you. MashaAllah. Very nice. Very, very nice. 5 lots mean 500 ounces. Yes. We created a resistance, and now the 30-minute candle, I think the price should continue moving down. Not necessarily. Not necessarily we will continue to move down. We'll have to wait. Will you support MK2C Twitter? This is MagicKeys. Oh, God, turn it on. Oh, I'm over trading. Yeah, so MagicKeys won't let me take a trade on MagicKeys because, yeah. Anyway, yeah, that's MagicKeys right there. It does work on CTrader. Oh my God. Yeah, it does work on CTrader. How do you get to the conclusion of clean range at least 25 pips? How do you discover that? Because I was looking at zones where price moves the most, and I figured out that price moves the most when we have clean traffic areas, you know, in the chart. It was just noticing that. What's this? Oh, sell. Very nice. What time frame is this? Oh, 15-minute time frame. Oh, nice. Look at that. Oh, nice. Look at that. Impulse entry right here, right? Yeah, if we can go down, that's amazing, man. Well done. Well done, Hyro. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you for pointing that out. Yeah, here, gold now. The 30-minute candle is going to close in about 2 minutes. 30-minute candle is about to close, and yeah. Let's see. Let's see. We're still waiting over here. 15-minute candles, whatever. Still waiting. Right? Oof, look at that. Look at that. This is the Hail Mary. We should not break below this wick if we think price will continue to push up. That is the condition. Can I have demo account with Dominion Markets? Yes, you can. Yes, you can have a demo account. When do you come live in IST? I don't know what the hell IST is. What are you thinking of, GJ? Salam, walaikum salam. I'm thinking nothing of GJ. Some guys are in sells in GJ based on the 15-minute time frame. They're taking sells, but I'm looking at gold. I'm looking at gold. Can you show how did you put symbol and all this on the right side because I can't find it? Yeah, on a MacBook, you're not going to be able to find it because it's not there on the MacBook. It's only here on Windows. It's only here on Windows. Dominion Markets does work in Pakistan. Yes, it does. It does work in Pakistan. Oh, wow, look at that. New 30-minute candle has formed. Now we can start to scale in. Boom. Below this area right here. Below this 30-minute. Look at that. Right? So the stop is below the previous 30-minute candle. That's where the stop loss is. So if this doesn't go my way, I think I'm going to lose like 1,100, 1,200, but I still want to risk around 4,000. I want to risk around 10%, you know, like 7 to 10%. Don't take it the wrong way. Oh, Raja's risking 10% and this and this and that. Man, I've made over 400% this month, you know, so I can afford to lose some amount. Do you not get uncomfortable when you see the 30-minute going down? No, I don't. I don't get uncomfortable because I know my stop loss is below this previous 30-minute candle. So as long as we stay above this wick, I'm good. You know, then we're looking at TP to be around, I'd say like 2040. 2040, we're looking at around 2040 right here, TP. So as long as we stay above this low, we're good. We're good to go up. So yeah, so the more it comes down, I'm going to add another. I'm looking to add another position closer to 2037. Yeah, that's going to be good. 2037. If it comes down a little bit more, I'm going to add another position, and then I'm going to let it go. Someone is saying your stop loss is getting hit. Yeah, there's a probability my stop loss can get hit. There's a probability that can happen. So I just added another position over here. And for this, the stop loss is right there below this 30-minute candle. Because 30-minute is a stronger confirmation time frame, right? So here, I'm going to lose my total risk. My total risk is $1,500. I can only lose $1,500. That's my total risk on this, you know, and I'm fine because I'm still up for the day. So, you know, as long as this 30-minute candle respects the low of the previous one, we should continue to push bullish. Yeah, we should continue to push bullish. So that's basically the trade which I am in. How much percentage have you made so far this month? 400%. See, it just needs to respect that low, to be honest. As long as it respects that low, we are good to go. We are good to go. $30-minute time frame. I mean, if it does play out, I think that's going to be pretty cool. It's going to be pretty awesome. Guys, you can see my TP on the screen. So we shall have to wait now. 1 or 2 trades a day? No, more. More than 1 or 2 trades a day. Oh, wow, look at that. Hyro gave a nice signal on pound yen. I'm done for the day. For that GJSL, man, got to take care. Amazing. Very, very well done. Very well done. The sentiment indicator can throw your bias off? No. No. The sentiment indicator shouldn't throw my bias off. I am confident in these buys as long as we don't break below this low. That's it, right? Conditions. Every trade has a condition. The condition for this buy is as long as this candle respects the low of the previous candle, then we should continue to push up. As we're coming into NY open volume, you know, we should. So as we come closer to this wick here, I think it would be just right Yep, right there. Right there. Now total, we will lose around 1,800. Got 4 positions running. Yeah, it looks like we're going to break that wick over here now. We're going to break that wick. And this is going to be, this will go down as a losing day over here now. So insane. We just got to maintain that area. That's it. That's all we got to maintain, because our dream is to see price at 2040. That's what the dream is. That's what the idea is, to see 2040. You know, I mean, we have to break above 2038 to see 2039, and then to see 2040, and then to see 2041. We have to do that. If we don't, then we won't be able to see it. Then our dreams are just going to be dreams. Yeah, that's going to be whatever, you know. Breathe. No, it's okay. Let's take a look at pound yen. Wow, pound yen. Hyro gave a very, very, very good idea here for price to move down. That is absolutely savage right there. I guess that was the trade. That was the trade to be in, Hyro. Impulse entry, 15-minute time frame, broke below the low for price to continue to push down. That was actually excellent. Very, very well done. As far as gold goes, looking at 1 hour, we're still good at 1 hour. Ideally, the stop loss should be below the 1 hour candle. Ideally, that's where the stop loss should be. You know, because if the 30-minute candle is a weak time frame candle, well, weaker than 1 hour, then ideally it should be below the 1 hour, right? Ideally, because this 30-minute candle just started like 7 minutes ago. You know, so I think if the first half of the 30-minute can close minor bullish, then I think the second half of the 30-minute can also close bullish, and then we can continue to move up. Right? So I may be in favor of bring my stops down a little bit. What's this? $500? 500 plus 680, 1180 plus 790, 11,800, 880, 1900 something. 1900 plus 5, $2,400. Yeah, not bad. 2,400. Just gotta make sure we don't. Yeah, look at that 15-minute. Just gotta make sure that the 30-minute doesn't close bearish for this to be a Hail Mary trade to continue pushing up, boys. To continue. You are breaking my rules. Yeah, also I made a lot of money too this month. So I can afford to break some rules, right? I can afford to break some rules. Being slaughtered for Dominion markets. Ah, man, it's okay. No problem. Do you not worry 2040 will come? If the 2040 comes, then 2040 comes. You know, so now I have committed to this trade. I am committed to this position, to this trade idea. I am committed. And this commitment shall pay off. If it does not pay off, then, you know, what can we do at this point? Oh, Caesar. Okay, boys and girls and ladies and gentlemen and ladies. See, this is it. This 30-minute candle, now it should not break its own low. If it breaks its own low, then there's a very high probability it's going to continue to push down. But then also this is the last 30-minute candle of this current 1 hour. And ideally, this last 30-minute candle should continue pushing the 1 hour bullish at NY Open. All right. Keep a close eye over here. Keep a close eye over here. Keep a very close eye now. Very close eye, boys. Let's see here. What education we will get if we make an account of Dominion Markets? You will learn about market structure, sessions, like, you know, how sessions influence currency pairs. You will learn about how time frames influence sessions, you know, stuff like that. Is your Magic Keys working? Sure. Yes, it is. Do you check the fibs level sometimes? No. Caesar is with you since 2020. Man, I saw him on your stream since 2020. Is a real... Yes. Yes, me and Caesar are partners. Me and Caesar, we have traveled to so many places together. Me and Caesar have, like, you know, like he's my boy, you know. He's my boy. Caesar. People who all, like, you know, sometimes you have people in your life for whom you just want to do stuff, you know? So that's the kind of a bond I have with him. Like I legit like doing stuff for Caesar. That's the kind of a connection I have with that guy. For some reason, I don't know why, but like, that's the kind of a connection I have with him. Like I like to do stuff for him. On your first trade, why didn't you have your stop loss below the low? I don't know. It was like in the spur of the moment. That one. It was in the spur of the moment. So the new 15-minute candle is about to start in about 3 minutes. So we shall see how things go. New 15-minute candle is about to start. We're about to form. So that will give us a clear indication whether price will continue to push up, push down, or what's going to happen. Like the 30-minute candle, as we can see now, it's breaking below the low. Ooh, 16, 15. Yeah, I think this is going to be a losing one. This is going to be a losing one over here. How do you know Khalid? Khalid is a good friend of mine. And you say anything bad about him, I'm going to tell him to disqualify your account. We'll disqualify your account. Let's see. So right here. 1 hour. Yeah, I don't think, no, I don't. This 1 hour is not going to go back up. Look at the 15-minute candle. The new 15-minute candle is about to start in about a minute. And I don't think it's going to continue to push back up in the next 15 minutes. See, this is the thing. Now you got to ask yourself this question. What's the probability that in the next 15 minutes, this candle will continue to push up? And that push up would be the push up we need on the 4-hour time frame. What's the probability? Very, very low probability. But I do think it's a little early for the New York session. I do think it's a little bit early. So up until New York session and up until NYSE Open, I don't think there's going to be probability. Oh, look at that. Hyro, man. Hyro had a winning trade here today. Look at that. Pound yen continued to push down. Yeah, this is gonna hit the stops right over here. I already know exactly how much the loss is going to be, 2,400, something like that. And even if this is, let's add 230 more to this. The new candle will start now. Actually, it has started just now. 230, 375, no problem. So yeah, this is the this is where we want price to be, up over here. From here to go boom. But we try. Shouldn't have broken the rules. Yeah, it's okay. Like I like to play on the edge, sometimes I like to play on the edge, and today I wanted to play on the edge. And looks like I'm only going to lose the profits I made from today and some maybe like $600-700 more. So in total, I'm going to be a loss for $600. It's okay. Didn't really want to manage the risk. Look at that. Now someone's going to say, oh, how do you do this? I don't know. I was trying to move the window around and all of a sudden it just popped out. Let's see if I can do this again. Oh, this is how you can do this. Yeah. That's it. That is it. I'm playing on the edge so hard, I'm not profitable yet. Nah, it's okay. It's okay. My MQ stopped business with Dominion because you are not providing demo accounts to prop firms? No. It was basically about US. I'm ready to buy Market Fluidity 4.0. Amazing. Why you are not managing risk on the position? It's your first priority. Any reason? Yeah, because I've already made a lot of money in February. So that's why I'm going a little bit, risky. That's why I'm going a little bit risky over here. Aiming for a Aiming for the big fish, aiming for the big move. We have NY Open coming up in about 13 minutes. So I'm going to go have some water and then I'll be right back. All right. The thing is already flipping now. Yeah, I mean, it's supposed to flip. How many lots I have? 1, 2, 10, 20, 25 lots. You know, not bad. I mean, if we can come up towards, let's say, 2040, ideally breaking above 2039 would be better. That would be the best case scenario. That's basically what we're hoping to see over here. How much time do you sit on the charts per day? 1.5 to 2 hours. Today I've been on for, it's already been, it's going to be almost 2 hours now for today. It's almost going to be 2 hours. Let's take a look on the 15-minute. 15-minute is tough garbage. Look at that. Ugh. Don't even like looking at the 15-minute. I'm going to stick to 30-minute. I want to see how this 30-minute candle is going to close. If this 30-minute candle closes bullish, then there's a very high probability NY Open can continue to push up. And also look at the amount of people in cells. Hanji. Yeah, look at the amount of people in cells. Look at this. So many people in cells. So many people. So this means what's going to happen? The buyers will win. all the Raja banks are going to win. Guys, listen, at least give a like on the stream, you know, give a thumbs up on the screen. Like we do all this entertainment, value, knowledge I provide. The only thing I ask for is a like on the stream. At least I deserve a like on the stream, right? So yeah. Our saving grace is going to be not a saving grace, but like the complete analysis based off of the 4-hour should be for price to continue bullish on this 30-minute, basically. That's what we want to see. On the 30-minute, to continue bullish, right? And by the way, guys, this is the C Trader platform on Dominion Markets. Test it out. Test it out. You get so much information here. Look at the symbol asset. You get all information, swaps, you know, highest lot size, minimum lot size. You get your trading statistics here as well. You know, you get all of that. Okay, here we go. We're coming to the last 8 minutes of this candle here. Last 8 minutes. Can we continue to push bullish in this last 8 minutes, or will price just decide to jump around and do whatever? That's what we have to basically identify. No TP. The reason why I'm going with no TP is that what if we continue to push up? Just joking. Just joking. It was for some other purpose. So yeah, we'll have to wait. Waiting is the game. Patiently waiting for stop loss or profits. Patiently waiting for stop loss or profits. That's all we can do at this point. How come DM isn't available in Canada? Because it's not. How often do you practice when you are not live? I don't practice when I'm not live. People already bought MarketKeys before. Did they have to buy 2.0 again? No. I missed you. Thank you. How is this dude 56? Why? Can't I be 56? You eat right, you train every day, you do good exercise, and there you go. Emotional damage. How does the strategy work on other pairs? It works amazingly well because at the end of the day, all strategy is basically like, you know, candles, price action, market structure. That's all what it is. Why you roast people? I roast them because they can't spell properly. I got minus 1,500 yesterday and today on my 10K funded account. Oh, very nice. I have an account with Dominion Markets but haven't funded yet. How can I switch to C-Trader? You are already switched to C-Trader. You got to go to your Dominion Markets thing over there and you got to enter, you got to open up a C-Trader account. I'm sorry, I'm just writing an email. I'm writing an email to the market. I'm writing email to the market to apologize in advance for making too much money, which I'm going to make in the next 10 minutes. So just bear with me, guys. All right, perfect. All right, 4 minutes left. We have 4 minutes left. Yeah, this thing looks like it's about to shoot up. Yeah, I mean, you know, ideally it should shoot up. Ideally it should have shot up by now, but I guess it's waiting for NY open, I think. But even with NY open, see this 1 hour candle right here. This 1 hour candle should finish bullish. I mean, this 1 hour candle finishing the way it's finishing, it doesn't give me a lot of confidence here. It doesn't give me a lot of confidence. There's news in 30 minutes, you're correct. But I don't think that news is that volatile enough to move gold. I don't think so. Unless it's going to have a delayed effect as we move into NYSE Open. You know, I think. But at the same time, I'm going to be very quick at managing my positions as well. I'm going to be very quick at managing my positions. So right now, got about 25 lots open here. Gold 1 hour time frame, anticipating it to continue to push up. 30-minute time frame looking, honestly, it looks like with NY Open coming up now, for price to continue to push up. But we shall see how NY Open comes along. Oh, 87,000. Okay, got 2 minutes left for the NY Open. And what can we do, man? It's just like, the worst position is right here. No, the worst position is up over here now. Okay, a minute left. 15-minute candle finishing strong, bullish. I like that. The way I'm going to manage risk is this. Obviously, I'm going to so my plan on losing is 2,400. Okay, we have time, right? Yeah, we got time. Okay, so my plan on losing is, what's this? 680 plus 570, 1100, whatever that is. 400, 1500, and 200, 1700, around like 2300, something like that. That's what my plan is to lose, 2300, right? But obviously, I'm not going to lose 2300. I'm going to lose less than that because I'm going to manage my risk. Okay, now we have the NY Open coming up. And now, this is the NY Open here. As it breaks below or comes to my best entry, I'm going to close everything as it comes to my best entry. Because if this is volume time should not waste time to move. You guys get it? Volume time should not waste time to move. Volume time should just fucking go. You know, if a volume time wastes time to move, then that's then maybe volume is going to come later on. But wow, look at that. Pound yen really continued to move down over here. Very well done by pound yen. Beautiful. Yeah, right here, this 15-minute essentially should continue to push bullish. Looking at the 30-minute time frame. Ooh, wow, look at that. 30-minute, man. Look at that rejection, small body. So if this 30-minute candle can break the high of the previous 30-minute, then I think we are good to go up. And even if you look at the news, right? If you look at the news, what are they expecting? Oh, they're expecting bad news here. If they're expecting bad news, then gold should go up anyway. Right? Gold should just go up and say, oh, we're just pricing in the news. Yeah. Oh, someone is on a sell. I don't know about that one, man. Do you lose? Do you lose often? Someone is in a sell. How often do you practice when you're not live? Okay. Booby trap candle. Yeah. Once this 30-minute candle breaks the high of the previous one, this candle, the previous one, it becomes a booby trap candle. And then we're going to shoot up. Yes. sir. All right, yes, sir. Yes, sir. This music is so calming, you know? Calm music. The YouTube can't really hear it. What's happening? Oh, you guys are leaving? Oh, for rent? Why? What's wrong with this one? They increased it. Look on Oasis. Yeah, no, fuck Airbnb. Year-long lease. Yeah, it should be done. It should be done before March 15th, 100%. Because the thing is, the day your name goes in the system, then the process is started. Now they don't. Now they don't. Yeah, I think e-visa. Okay. Yeah, that's true. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask the guy that if we process yours, and at the same time, can they do your wife's? No, because my wife's going to. Oh, okay. Basically, what the yearly does. We're this close. This close. But I don't mind on one. It's actually. Okay. Who? Yeah. Yeah. मतलब क्या क्या यहाँ पे छोड़ दिया? No, I locked this door. This door locked. Oh yeah. Yeah, because this door locks. What about his? His, I told him to move that stuff here today, but he didn't. So he said he'll do it tomorrow. He didn't even say goodbye. Yeah, take one lens or something. So tomorrow he's going to be looking everywhere. Like, oh, where's my lens? Yeah. Okay, see ya. All right, so I'm going to give up over here. I'm going to lose $1,000 over here. I actually have to go. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah. 30-minute. I mean, if it comes down, then it is what it is. What can you do? Manage risk. It's okay. Raj is about to call the market maker. How confident are you gold's going to go up to 40 or higher? I don't know. It's not about confidence. It's about managing risk. So I'll close everything here. Boom. Whoa. Did you see how fast that closed? You see how fast that closed? Boom. All of a sudden. Yeah, I'm good. I still made $1,000 today. Yeah, still good. Made $1,000. But the bad thing is, like, all these tiny losses, they get added up to the they get added to the overall percentage. Yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna head off. Guys, take care, and we will see you tomorrow. What did pound yen do? Oh wow, pound yen was the move today. Pound yen was the move today, not this. Pound yen was the move today. Anyway, take care, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. Good show today. Very good show today. Almost 2 hours.